Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to find the shaded area in here based on this information. So we can see that the triangle ARE and the triangle ABD. So we can see that they have the same angle 8. And the next one, they have the same right angles. That is about ARE and ABD. So we can say that the triangle ARE and the triangle ABD, they are similar. That is about angle. Now we can use about the Taylor ratio in here. So in this one, that is about AR divided by AP equals to AE divided by AD. So we put the number go in here. AB, that is about 8 because this is about the radius of the circle 8. So AB equals to number 8. 8E, that is about number 8. 8D, that is about 8E plus ED. So we have number 8 plus 2.44. We have 10.44. So now we can find 8R. So number 8 go in here. So we have 64 divided by 10.44. So we calculate this one and we have 6.13. So after you got about this number in here, we can find about ER. So in this one, we can use Pythagorean theorem. In this triangle, 8RE. So that should be about 8R to the power of 2 plus RE to the power of 2 and this one that is about AE. So AR we have 6.13. And this one we have number 8. So we calculate RE in here. And that's about 8 square minus 6.13 square. So we calculate this one and we got about 26.4231. Later that we put the square root for the both sides. So that should be about 5.14. So we have the number in here. Now we want to find RB. We know that AB, that is about number 8. Now we want to find this one. We have number 8 minus this number in here. And you got about 1.87. Now we want to find this angle in here. So we know this is about the right angle in here on the triangle ERB. So we can use about alpha in here. That should be about tan alpha. We have opposite divided by adjacent. So the opposite of this one, that is about 5.14, and adjacent that's about 1.87. And we have alpha, that is about octane of this number in here. And this one you got about 70 degrees. Now we need to transform into radians. That is about 7b over 18. We know that this one, that is about right angle. So we want to find this one, that is about beta. So we have alpha plus beta equals to b over 2. Now we want to find this one, but alpha we have this one in here. So we have b over 2 minus alpha, and we have b over 2 minus 7b over 18. So this one we calculate, and we have b over 9. Now we want to find the green area. We need to minus about the red area of this one in here. So we need to find the red area. To calculate this one, we need to find the circle of A. Later that we minus about the area of this triangle. So you got about the red one. So if we put about the red A, so we have 2b over 9. We divide by 2b, that is about a full circle. We multiply by r, that is about 8 square, and we have b in here, minus about the white triangle in here. So we have the height and the base. So we have 5.14. We multiply by 8. We divide by number 2. This is about the area of the triangle in here. And we calculate this one. And we have 1.78 square centimeters. And now we want to find the area of the ring. So this is about the circle at B, and we know that EB equal to CB. So we want to find EB in here. We can use about Pythagorean theorem at the triangle ERB. So that should be about ER square plus RB square equals to EB square. Now we have the numbers in here. So ER, that is about 5.14 square, and RB, that is about 1.87. So we calculate this one, and that is about 29.9165. And now we need to find this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we calculate this one, and that is about 5.47. And now we can find the area in here. So that should be about, we know that this angle in here, we have B over 9. So we have B over 9 go in here. We divide by 2B. Later that we have the radius in here. Then we minus about the red area in here. So that should be about 1.78. So we calculate this one, 3.44. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.